So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a vegan grocery haul. We went vegan about a month and a half ago, and yeah, over there. What does she have in her hand? Give it to me. Take her. All right. So Maddie. So let's start over here. I spent $139. So we got some banana, some grapes. This is cabbage. We have apple, cauliflower, avocado, strawberries, baby carrots, celery. We got some Earth Balance organic butter. This is vegan butter. We have some garbanzo beans, and then we have some more garbanzo beans over here, and we have more black beans. We got some this is Parmesan. This is vegan Parmesan. Then we got some Nikki's. This is Nikki's coconut. Why is it not focusing? So it's Nikki's coconut butter spread, and this is the dark chocolate fudge. And then we have this guy over here. We have this other one. This is the same thing as that one. And then we got some bread for the children's lunches. I just got them some Fiber One lunches. Bread. Then we got some crispy chicken sliders. These are vegan chicken patties for their lunches. I got some Oreo bins, lunch bags, sandwich bags. Then let's move over here. We have some ground turmeric. I got me some Crystal Lights for their water, to flavor their water. My husband got Maseca. That's how you say it, Maseca. Then we have some sweet potato fries, almond milk. We got these Go Veggies vegan cheese for the kids' lunches. Got some waffles, pretzel. We got some saltine crackers. Then over here in the back we got some bean chips, black bean chips. Got some Doritos for when you feel snacky, you know what I mean. Got some more healthier stuff over here. Got some potato chips. Got some classics. We have some blueberries over here. And then we have more cauliflower on this side. And then we just got some roaring waters for the kids. I got 3 boxes of roaring waters. And then this is tofuti cream cheese. That's a vegan cheese. More lunch bags. What is this? House cut fries for the kids' lunches. And then my husband wanted to try these. These are hella expensive, like, yeah. This was like $8.99 or something like that. So this is just your pepperoni style vegan pizza. I don't know why my husband would buy pepperoni, because we're Adventists, but it's not meat. But it's just a vegan pepperoni. You think pork, but hey, whatever floats his boat. And then we got this one as well, and this was $7.50, something like that. And then we got some bread. This is not bread, this is bagel. Got some bagel for the kids. Got more potato chips because my husband likes to snack. And then last but not least, we got some veggie sticks and a case of water. So thank you guys so much for watching this little haul, and this is our first vegan haul, I think. So anyways, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and become a sunshine, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.